According to both teams, that game could have been 8-6, 9-7. Maybe we get another one of those games here tonight, Kenny.
Off the face-off, puck sent in by Scott Lawton. Dmitry Orlov for the Hurricanes, flips it into the neutralized area. Here's Jordan Martin at 6 goals in his last 7 games. Stick save made by Fedotov. Held in by Martin. Here's Jordan Staal. Staal defended by Bronze, playing in his second NHL game for the Flyers. Chatfield shot, score! The Hurricanes strike first, just 30 seconds in.
And Carolina with the early start. In on the forecheck, get the puck back to the point. And it looks like it just hit somebody there, Boosh, right before it gets to the blue paint.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe the defender, Granz. Or maybe not. That one is hard to tell.
On that angle there. Carolina's got all the pressure, and all of a sudden you're like, I just got to get this thing out. And fortunately, didn't want to get it out into the crowd.
Here's Aho, stopped by Fedotov. Flyers come away with the puck. There's Richard for the Flyers. Out in front.
Nice try.
With Belaiden unable to get the stick out. And here comes Svechnikov, moving it all alone, slides it across, and a save made by Fedotov. Carolina tip it, sends the puck around, comes to Couturier. Now Konecny into the slot. Sanheim stopped by Kochetkov.
The entire Columbus Blue Jacket organization for reaching out to me when I was going through my toughest time. So thanks to Coach Torts. He went to Vancouver to coach again. I mean, does that mean that Hank's on his way? I mean, we know Hank was going to Hall of Fame. That was it.
Taylor scores! Flyers tie the game at 1. First of the season. Ryan Poehling.
I don't know if this is a screenshot or not here, Bush, but Poehling lets it go. And it looks like he just misses it.
Yeah, I think there's a little screen by Walker, but it's still from distance where you hope you can somehow find it on its way. And Kochetkov did it. A surprising goal. There's no doubt about that. And when Poehling crossed the blue line.
While he was an active player.
Thinking about him and his battle. And again, thank you all. Tip of the hockey helmet to everybody involved. And it starts at the top, obviously, with the commissioner, Mr. Bettman, and Bill Daly, the deputy commissioner, and all of the partners of the National Hockey League.
Drop by Aho, score! Fedotov got a piece of it, and then it deflected in. The Hurricanes take a 2-1 lead early in period 3.
Looked like he had a lot of it. I mean, it looked like it was stuck in his arm. Here the Flyers turn it over, and Aho coming downhill. Looks like there's some traffic in front. Fedotov not able to locate it through some of that traffic, and it just squeaks through the arm and the ribs. Yeah, you can see, you can't even see Fedotov from that angle. So
a look from our AT&T connected cam. Backhand shot turned aside by Fedotov.
Has put their foot on the gas, and they're right back to the way that they typically play, throwing everything at the net.
Hurricanes have won 11 of their last 12 against the Flyers, and they take a 3-1 lead. The shot by Orlov deflected in front by Jordan Staal.
You just felt it was a matter of time. Behind is Chatfield and Orlov do a little interchange here. That opens up some space. The guy that won the faceoff gets to the interior of the ice. He gets inside position. Not sure where Couturier's going here, Bush.
Hurricanes beat the Flyers 6-4. 2 weeks ago, they lead this game 3-1. Here's Aho off the steal. Sends towards the net. Score! It is now 4-1. Carolina. Roslovic with his 10th of the season.
Right here. And all of a sudden now here come the Hurricanes. Quick little shot towards the net, nothing on it, and Roslovic grabs it, brings it to the forehand, and buries it up top. And it's now a 4-1 game, Bush.
4 Carolina Hurricane players lined up in the neutral zone. You saw 3 in the picture.
Baches will see his point streak come to an end, but the Hurricanes prevail, and Aho sets the franchise record.